Over to Alexandra. Is this tropical storm going to do anything for us?
No, Leslie, it is all on the East Coast, and really the only area directly affected is going to be North Carolina, but there are tropical storm warnings in effect there. I know the Gulf Coast definitely probably feeling some relief as the tropical storm is not going to affect us at all, but yeah, still something to talk about before the hurricane season officially starts in the Atlantic, of course, on June 1st. For us, we're kind of getting rid of a bit of light rain early on this Monday morning, so actually this is going to be, I think, a nice day. Our temperature is 73 in New Orleans. We just have cloudy skies and it's still a little bit muggy and just a touch breezy out there for spots. Our temperatures north of the lake as well, near 70 degrees, especially off to the west. And then Slidell still saying 73 actually. Here are winds coming in up to about 10 miles per hour for most spots, a little breezier at the lakefront and along the coast. And we are expecting our winds maybe up to 12, possibly 15 miles per hour through the day today. Here is our radar scene. So the rain has pretty much almost completely left the area. The exception is just going to be a stray shower here or there. So if you do have to get up and get on the roads, I don't think you'll have big problems. You may notice some kind of wet streets here and there, but we're not seeing a lot of rain actively coming down aside from parts of St. Tammany Parish, a little bit here in Tangipahoa Parish, but where you see green on radar, that's typically very light, maybe even just a few sprinkles. So rain, not a huge issue today, and it will be wrapping up within maybe an hour or so. Our rain totals so far have not been very high. Our rain mainly has been light, up to about a quarter inch, half inch on the high side there at Bogalusa, just shy of half an inch, but other spots really did not pick up a lot of rain with this system. And yesterday we had some dry air filtering in to make it actually a nice day, although we did get the showers last night and into early today. Here's the surface low, and again you can see the spin around that low here. Here is the surface front now moving off to the east of us, and you can see very dry conditions and eventually some nice sunny conditions off to the west, and we'll see that later today. Here's our forecast model by 7, 8 o'clock, rain completely out of the area, I think, and then this could be 1 p.m. Again, sun coming out, humidity not quite as high, dew points instead of near 70, maybe more like 60 or so today. So I think you'll notice a little break in humidity. And then here's our forecast for Tuesday. It looks mainly dry. We'll keep a slight chance for a shower Tuesday, and then Wednesday we'll bump it up just a touch to about 30%, perhaps especially north of the lake. And actually each day this week we'll keep at least a bit of a rain chance there, just for at least some isolated rain. Today I have highs about 85. May not feel bad though, because it will be less humid. We'll have sunshine and a bit of that north wind, as you saw. Our forecast today again brings us eventually into the 80s, but if you're grabbing lunch or something like that, our temperatures by 11 o'clock noon could still be maybe just around 80 or a little lower than that. Tonight lows will be in the 60s, so just a touch cooler than where we're starting off right now, and it should be mostly clear. Then it turns warmer and muggier after today, so enjoy today. Tomorrow eventually we'll see that humidity gradually going up and a few daily showers possible. Our 7-day rainfall forecast could be a bit on the higher side, up to about maybe an inch north, and then possibly less than that south of the lake through this week. But the idea will be kind of isolated or spotty sort of rain, mainly in the afternoons. And here it is, that update on Tropical Storm Arthur, getting close, of course, to North Carolina and bringing some heavy rain there as we speak. It's forecast because of some low pressure coming off the East Coast to eventually turn out to the east and head into the Atlantic, and eventually will be not a tropical storm any longer, maybe in the next day or so. First name storm. We've had preseason storms this year and the past 5 years preceding this year. Our 7-day forecast shows the temperatures edging up and our rain chances staying around 20 to 30% through most of this week and into the weekend too. And good morning, April.
Good morning, Alexandra. Things look great on the roadways, guys.